In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up the Apple Pay family sharing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the top of the screen, tap your Apple account. From here, select Family. If you haven't created a family sharing group yet, you should see an option to set one up. Tap Set up your family and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your family sharing group is created, you can invite members of your family. So basically, all you have to do is tap Add Member, then choose whether you want to invite others or if you want to create an account for a child or a teen, depending on the available options. You can send the invitation through messages or another available method depending on your country, region, or area, or even your account type. Once the family member accepts the invitation, they will become part of your family sharing group. Now, if your goal is to use Apple Pay for purchases, you'll need to add an eligible debit or credit card to the wallet app. And to do that, open the wallet app on your iPhone, tap the Add button, then choose debit or credit card. Follow the instructions to scan your card or enter the card details manually. And you may need to verify the card with your bank or card issuer before it can be used with Apple Pay. Family sharing does not automatically place your personal Apple Pay cards into another family member's wallet. Okay, you need to make sure that you understand that information. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can set up Apple family sharing and get your family's payment and purchasing features organized. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.